Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Logstash pipeline for logs parsing detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have Java installed on your system. You can check this by running the command Java version in your terminal or command prompt. Next, download Logstash from the official Elastic website. Choose the correct version for your operating system and save the installer to your local machine. Once the download is complete, extract the contents of the downloaded file. Navigate to the extracted Logstash directory using your terminal or command prompt. Inside the Logstash directory, you will find a folder named config. Open this config folder to create your pipeline configuration file. Use a text editor to create a new file and name it logstash.conf. In your configuration file, specify the input, filter, and output sections. For example, you can start with a simple input section that reads from a log file. Next, add a filter section to parse the logs according to your requirements. Make sure to define the output section to determine where the processed logs will be sent. Once you have finished editing the logstash.conf file, save your changes. Now, return to your terminal or command prompt. To run Logstash with your configuration file, use the command bin/logstash-fconfig/logstash.conf. Logstash will now start processing your logs based on the configuration you specified. Monitor the terminal output for any errors or status messages during the parsing. If everything is set up correctly, you should see Logstash processing your logs in real time. Once you confirm that logs are being processed as expected, you can stop Logstash by using Ctrl+C. Finally, make any necessary adjustments to your configuration file as needed for optimization. You have now successfully installed and configured a Logstash pipeline for logs parsing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.